this lesson, we're going to learn about rational and irrational numbers. Our standard is Rn.3. Explain why the sum or product of rational numbers is rational. A rational number is a number expressible in the form of a fraction. An irrational number is a number whose decimal form is non-terminating and non-repeating. A good example would be pi, square root of 2, square root of 3. Those are all irrational numbers. Rules. The sum of rational numbers is always a rational number. The product of rational numbers is always a rational number. Subtracting one rational number and another yields a rational number. The sum of a rational and an irrational is always irrational. And the product of a rational and irrational is always irrational. So use your rules. The square root of 2 plus a half. Square root of 2 is irrational. So if I add that to a rational number, it will be irrational. Now let's simplify this expression. This is going back to the standard before a little bit. Okay? I cannot simplify 2 to the square root of 3. I cannot simplify 10. It's a whole number. But I can simplify the square root of 27. And I can simplify 2 to the square root of 49. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to rewrite this as 9 times 3. 9 is a perfect square. So that becomes 3 to the square root of 3. And now this, the square root of 49, that is a perfect square. That simplifies into 2 times 7, which becomes 14. And I'm going to rewrite that up here so I can rewrite the entire problem. Now that I've simplified it, now I'm going to combine like terms. But I'm going to rewrite it to where my like terms are together. Remember, you do not combine what's inside the radicand when adding and subtracting. You just add the coefficients, and I get 5 to the square root of 3. Negative 14 plus 10 is negative 4. So my answer will be 5 to the square root of 3 minus 4. And then there is the example written out.